Have you ever eaten pot food? Food cooked in the pot? And do you even know how to cook food using a pot? I want you guys to try one time pot cooked food. You should try it in a lifetime because it's the yummiest food you'll ever eat. And if you leave the pot aside and then you cook the pot food using the 3 firestone, the food is even yummier. Yummier. Yummy, yeah. That's so funny. But anyways, to cook pot food, we need a pot. We need what we are gonna cook, which today is gonna be the sweet potatoes and so many other things I'm going to show you in the video. But while we are at it, welcome back. How are you doing today? If you're new on here, my name is Aketch Joy Winnie. Aketch, that's how they pronounce my name. Aketch Joy Winnie. And if you've always been here, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, drop me a like, a share, and also tap the notification bell so that you don't miss on these beautiful videos with a beautiful family to interact with. And let's begin the video. Okay, so to be able to really cook this the traditional my grandmother way so that the sweet potatoes are delicious, we want the sweet potatoes tasting like heaven, heaven. So we place this little banana leaf at the bottom of the pot so that it helps the water be in control. Otherwise, the water will be wailing up and wants to pour. And then I already have some sweet potatoes here. I'll start to put the sweet potatoes and then I'll make some more sweet potatoes because we are quite many that are gonna eat the sweet potatoes. So let's start peeling some more sweet potatoes. Actually today I'm not gonna peel the sweet potatoes because we want it to stay for the whole day. So keeping it in this form makes the sweet potatoes last longer. It's like a gentle way of preserving the sweet potatoes. I don't know, every time I cook using the pot, it reminds me so much about the good old days. Way back when we used to fight lions in order to go to school. No, I'm joking, guys. It reminds me of my grandma. She made the most delicious meals. Every time I came back to the village from school, I would add like 5 pounds in a month because grandma's food used to be so delicious. Meanwhile, this year is Instagram. He was named online on a live broadcast I had, and people said, since you have a dog called Facebook, you have a dog called TikTok, name this one Instagram, and the next dog is gonna be named YouTube. Do you guys agree? Let me know if you think the next dog should be named YouTube. So anyways, this reminds me of the good old days when grandma used to make sweet potatoes that you should cook the sweet potatoes and they would last until the next day in the evening and they would stay warm because she used to cook it in the pot and the pot retains the aroma of the food you cook. I don't know if you guys have ever really experienced pot food. You should try it one day and you'll come back on here and tell me, Joy, you never lied. Otherwise, guys, how are you today? How have you been? I really appreciate your loving my videos. Every time you come on here, it is a blessing, a very big blessing. And I hope you keep staying on here and let's do life together. Also take this opportunity to share the video to someone right now. I'll pause and let you share, and by the time you're back we resume. Meanwhile, I'm going to use this time to put the sweet potatoes in the pot while you go share and invite your friends to watch the video, while you also subscribe and also drop me a comment right now, anything you feel like anything that your grandmother used to do that made you feel so at home? Okay, for me, it's cooking pot food. So let's do that. Ooh. Welcome back. Thank you so much for the shares, likes, and everything, and inviting friends. So, we've already put our sweet potatoes in the pot, and now to even add the aroma for the sweet potato as they are cooked, we add some lemongrass. If you know, lemongrass has such a great aroma, and adding it to the pot food cooked by the three firestone makes it insanely aromatic. Okay, that's good. And we are going to pour some water in there so that, of course, the sweet potatoes can be cooked. All right, and then let's have it covered. All right, now let's light the fire. The fire is ablaze already. So windy, but we're good. All right. It's time to put our food on the fire. Be gentle. All right. And I'll be slowly putting more wood so that it lights gracefully, so that the food that comes out is also very gracefully tasting. Anyways, see you guys in a bit once the sweet potatoes are ready to be eaten and served. Will you eat some? Huh? You're fasting? Oh, okay. I'll keep some for you for later on once you unfast. Don't burn, okay? It's almost lunchtime. Tedesco just told us it's almost lunchtime. That roaster was named by people on the live broadcast. They named him Tedesco. Hi, Tedesco. Hi, Tedesco. Tedesco. Thank you, Tedesco. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's lunchtime. And it's time to take this masterpiece off the fire and let's serve. Okay? It's high time we started eating. The roaster already started eating. But yeah, let's get this off. Make sure you carry it with something because it's hot. Okay? Be gentle. It's time to serve. I'm super excited and I can't wait to eat this. Ooh. Some more. All right, I'll leave the rest for the others. Okay. Who's excited? I let it cool for a bit so that it doesn't burn my hands. Very delicious. And the sauce I'm having with it is peanuts. Pasted peanuts with silver fish. It's such a yummy combination. I'll go off camera and eat and enjoy my meal. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, cooking this precious food in the precious pot. The sweet potatoes are so, so delicious. All the nutrients, all the aroma has been retained because of the pot and the 3 firestone. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also tap the notification bell so that you know when I post a video. Also like and comment. See you guys in the next video. Oh, I forgot to give you guys some sweet potato. Here is some for you. All right, have a good time and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.